And then my rich dad always says, work for assets.
Big question in your mind is, what kind of income do I want for the rest of my life? Well, I wanted passive. And the average person, because they have a job, is working for earned income, which is the highest tax.
Don't let that $100 bill gather dust in your savings account. Today, I'm going to guide you through the transformative steps that can potentially turn that humble 100 into thousands. And stay tuned for tip number 3. It's an absolute game changer. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Let's dive in with pro tip number 10. Number 10. Amazon flipping. Starting an Amazon flipping business can be a lucrative venture, even for newcomers. Begin by setting a budget for initial purchases. This is your investment in inventory. Next, source products with high resale potential from local shops, yard sales, thrift stores, or clearance sections of retail stores. Always be on the lookout for items that are new or gently used and in high demand on Amazon. Research is vital. Use tools like Keepa or Camel to analyze price histories and sales rank data on Amazon. Before buying, calculate your potential profit by subtracting the cost of goods, Amazon's fees, and shipping costs from the selling price. Create an Amazon seller account and familiarize yourself with the platform's rules and fees. Once you're set up, list your items, optimize your product listings with clear, concise titles and high-quality images, and manage your inventory meticulously. Regularly review your sales data and adjust your strategies based on what's working. This could mean focusing on specific product categories or changing your pricing strategies. Number 9. Real estate investment. Setting a real estate investment business begins with crafting a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, strategy, and financial projections. Next, secure your initial capital. This could be savings, a loan, or an investment from partners. Choose your niche in real estate, whether it's residential properties, commercial spaces, or real estate investment trusts or REITs. And educate yourself extensively in that area through courses, mentors, or self-study. It's crucial to assemble a reliable team, which might include a real estate agent, accountant, lawyer, and property manager. Once you're equipped with knowledge and a team, start scouting for properties. Consider factors like location, property condition, and market trends. Analyze each potential deal rigorously, calculating expenses, potential returns, and risks. When you find a promising property, negotiate strategically and close the deal. After the purchase, focus on property management or renovation strategies to maximize its value and rental income potential. Lastly, continually evaluate your portfolio's performance and adjust your strategy as needed, ensuring your investments are aligned with your long-term financial goals. Number 8. Printed clothing business. Starting a printed clothing business with even just $20 in capital may seem like a daunting task, but with strategic planning and resourcefulness, it's more achievable than you might think. Begin by sourcing affordable, high-quality blank apparel. Think t-shirts, hoodies, or hats from clearance sales, thrift stores, or wholesale suppliers. With your initial stock in hand, focus on a niche design that will appeal to a specific target market, and then create your designs using affordable or accessible graphic design software. To keep initial costs low, consider starting with a heat transfer method or collaborating with a local print shop that offers drop shipping or print-on-demand services, thereby avoiding the need for expensive printing equipment. Set your pricing strategy carefully, factoring in not only the cost of materials, but also your time and the price that the market will bear. Launch your businesses online through a low-cost platform like Etsy or Shopify, utilizing their introductory plans, or leverage social media as your initial storefront. Marketing is key. Engage with your potential customers through social media, offer promotional rates for the first customers, or collaborate with influencers for reviews. Every dollar counts, so reinvest your early profits back into the business, gradually scaling up your operations as demand for your unique designs grows. Number 7. Couponing. To start couponing as a business with just $100, begin by setting a budget and organizing your resources. Dedicate time to research and familiarize yourself with various types of coupons and where to find them, such as in newspapers, online websites, and store mailers. Subscribe to multiple copies of Sunday newspapers and create digital accounts with coupon sites like coupons.com and RetailMeNot. Organize your coupons using a system that works for you, whether it's a binder, a digital app, or a simple envelope system. Prioritize high savings coupons and stack them with store sales and rebates from cashback apps like Ibotta and Rakuten for maximum savings. Develop a tracking system to monitor your savings and expenses. This can be as simple as a spreadsheet. Aim to buy products in bulk when they are at their lowest price, and consider reselling your hauls through online marketplaces or flea markets to turn a profit. Number 6. Blogging. Think blogging is a dying art? Think again. With less than $20 and a good strategy, you could be sitting on a digital gold mine. Begin by selecting a niche you are passionate about and knowledgeable about. Use your initial capital to purchase a domain name and secure a reliable hosting plan. Many options are available for under $50 for the first year. Opt for a free or affordable WordPress theme and customize it to reflect your brand's personality. Focus your content on providing value to your readers through informative, engaging, and well-researched posts. Initially, invest time, not money, into learning the basics of SEO and social media marketing to drive organic traffic to your site. As your audience grows, monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products or services. Reinvest the earnings back into your blog for marketing, quality content creation, or further education in blogging strategies. Number 5. Learn a new skill. Invest in yourself with this next empowering tip. From coding to cooking, graphic design to digital marketing, we'll delve into the most lucrative skills you can acquire online, many of which are available through affordable or even free platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy. But it's not just about the learning, it's about the application. Transform that newly acquired knowledge into cold hard cash, whether that's through freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, launching your own consulting business, or creating and selling your online courses. Number 4. Start a service-based business. Launching a service-based business can be a brilliant way to leverage your skills and expertise, and it can be surprisingly cost-effective to start. First, identify a skill or service that is in demand and aligns with your strengths, whether that's copywriting, graphic design, consulting, or home cleaning services. Then create a detailed business plan outlining your target market, pricing strategy, and operational plan. Next, handle the legalities. Register your business, secure necessary licenses or permits, and consider liability insurance. With a lean budget, focus on free or low-cost marketing strategies such as networking, social media, and creating a professional website through platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Prioritize exceptional customer service from the start. Satisfied clients are your best marketing tool through word of mouth and positive online reviews. With as little as your existing skills and a strong work ethic, you can create a thriving, profitable service-based business. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. The bank shouldn't be the only one making money from loans. With peer-to-peer lending, your $100 can grow by helping others. Starting this business involves establishing a platform that connects borrowers with individual investors who are willing to lend them money for a certain interest rate. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify your target audience and assess demand. Next, create a detailed business plan that outlines your strategy, financial projections, and operations. Secure the necessary licenses and comply with financial regulations to operate legally, which may involve partnering with a registered bank and hiring a legal team well-versed in financial compliance. Develop a robust, secure, and user-friendly online platform, either through custom development or by leveraging existing P2P lending software solutions. Establish a rigorous vetting process for borrowers to assess their creditworthiness and set transparent terms and interest rates. Then launch your marketing campaign. Focus on building trust and educating both potential lenders and borrowers about the benefits of your platform. With a solid strategy and adherence to regulations, you can turn a vision into a thriving peer-to-peer lending enterprise. Number 2. Drone business. Up, up, and away to profits. Drones are more than just cool toys. They're a booming business opportunity. Starting a drone business involves more than just purchasing a high-quality drone. It requires a strategic plan, technical expertise, and adherence to relevant regulations. Begin by identifying a niche for your drone services, such as aerial photography, inspection, mapping, or agricultural services. Once you've pinpointed your market, invest in a high-quality, reliable drone and necessary accessories, and obtain the required certifications and licenses, such as the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Certificate in the US. Draft a detailed business plan that outlines your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and operational plans, including safety protocols. Obtain the necessary insurance to protect your business, including liability coverage. Then create a professional portfolio showcasing your drone capabilities, whether that's stunning photography, precise mapping, or efficient inspections. Lastly, launch a targeted marketing strategy that leverages social media, local networking, and partnership with related businesses to build your clientele and establish your drone business as a reliable and skilled service provider in your chosen niche. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. And here we are at the big one. What if you could talk about your passions and make money doing it? Begin by identifying a unique, engaging niche that aligns with your passion and expertise, as this will be the focal point of your content. Create a comprehensive content strategy outlining the type of videos you'll produce, your target audience, and your posting schedule. Invest in quality equipment, but remember, you don't need the best gear to start. A good camera or smartphone, a microphone, and basic editing software can be enough. Set up your YouTube channel, paying attention to the branding elements like your channel name, logo, and description that communicate your channel's purpose. Consistently produce and upload high-quality, engaging videos, optimizing each for SEO with strategic titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience through the comment section and on other social media platforms to foster a community. Monetize your channel through various avenues such as AdSense, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and viewer support through platforms like Patreon. Regularly view your analytics to understand your audience better and to continually refine your strategy based on data-backed insights. There you have it. 10 powerful ways to turn $100 into a fortune. But as with all investments, there's a risk, so do your due diligence. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Financial Intellect for more enlightening content. See you in the next video!